classroom setting or in an in-person setting, it becomes sort of easier for us to take up initiative when you're sitting, in front of a person. Like, for example, you just said five people volunteer for a discussion, and only three people volunteered. So, sir, on an online platform, is there anything? I mean, I just want to hear your perspective on this. So, on an online platform, what is a good way to sort of know the right time to take up that social cue, as to pick up and to initiate something there, so when an opportunity presents itself?
The difference is that you don't have to think that it's an online setup. One of the biggest challenges that I faced being a speaker and thinking at the start of lockdown in March 2020 was, how is it that I'm going to survive? How is it and what is it that I'm going to do? Because I've not done any online sessions. Being a speaker and constrained to this much space and not able to see each one of you all, because every time I have to see each one of you all, I have to look at the different faces that I can see here. The skill set which is required for the virtual space is something different, and you have to upscale yourself for that. But for that skill set, I believe everything else remains the same. Everything else remains your initiative, your cue with regard to the things that you're asking, taking up initiative or going in and stepping out. Each one of us is in the same boat. All of us are having the same questions: what, when, how, what's the future looking like? God forbid this could be the future. We have already companies which have talked about 75%, like TCS, 75% of the workforce is going to work from home in the future. The reality is changing. The more faster you understand and learn this skill to adapt to the present scenario of how the present is looking. So, as an example, while in the past, when the online space was not that relevant, we were constrained in our opportunities because we could physically go only that much. Now, the same example, look at me sitting here and talking to someone in Mumbai in an MIS, or all of you all in different cities at this point in time and talking to you all. There are many speakers who are just sitting and still waiting. When will the real world come back? When will the physical world come back? If you take up this opportunity and upscale yourself, I completely agree. This is a space that not everyone is comfortable with. Nobody is to begin with. But you have to learn the art of managing the online space and yourself, more importantly, because I know the kind of comfort that I had in a training program, just sitting around. Okay, if someone is there, we can just after the session sit for a coffee. Right now, after the session, I can see Zoom meeting closed. I'm not sure whom to talk to, how to talk to, and all those things. These are things which I have to go as a personal experience. I have to accept that this is the reality and how it is. As a personal brand building, I've not done so many YouTube videos in the last 14 years as much as I've done in the last 6 months to 8 months, because the world is changing. The personal branding which you have an opportunity right now is much, much bigger because the world has gone digital. Earlier, it was people who are HR managers who are waiting for resumes. Today, you are a Zoom call away from connecting with someone. Look at your LinkedIn profile. Look at how you're managing and building your LinkedIn profile. The opportunities which are coming up as a result are also there. I often say this to people because of one of the initiatives that we have taken. At the start of 2020, I was seeing the closed door. I was seeing the closed door because the physical space had closed. It was a lockdown. But what I didn't realize over this 8 months, what I realized over these 8 months is that that door is still closed. But, but the wall which was surrounding that door has been broken down. If you have limited yourself to staring at that closed door, you won't realize the world which has opened up to you. I used to do seminars where I create a Facebook ad for people who are 10 kilometers away. Who are 10 kilometers away. Today, when I'm doing a program, I'm targeting the world. I'm targeting an entire country. And that's where things changed because I upskilled myself. That's what you have to look up to.